Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. In honor of April Fool's Day, I have a good one for you when it comes to your vehicle. We're gonna use a little Betty White today. I thought about using this guy right here, but I don't want anyone peeing or crapping their pants. We'll use this for a different video. So if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. So you're just gonna need some sort of photo of some sort of shock value. Love you, Betty, and some tape. We're just getting ready to run a couple errands, so I thought this would be a great opportunity. You do need to have a backup camera in your vehicle. So what you want to do is make sure you tape the picture over the backup camera. Obviously Betty White's on the other side, and then we got this scary looking thing on the outside. Ooh, got some old coffee here. I wonder if this is any good.
That's gross.
Yeah, still good. I don't know.
Why do you get your camera?
I'm just gonna do a little work, look at some thumbnails on our way to Target.
What the hell is Betty White doing back there?
What? No way! How did she get there?